Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I'm nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Think about it. She calls out to the man on the street.
Yan, malapit na, malapit na, malapit na. Yes! Ang lawak, oh. Napakaganda sana ng puno. Ito, parang di ko kayang tawirin. Ito, hindi ko kayang tawirin yan. Kahirap, parang hirap na tawirin. Nakakalula. Lawak. Skyway, layo na skyway. Dito lang ako nakakita ng puno na mga 100 years na daw.